Oh no. He's awake. Why doesn't he leave? Just go, Dr. Ned. Alright, I think he's leaving. Just go, go, go. Walk out the door. Don't turn around. No! He's coming back. Oh no. He's going. He's leaving. Alright.
Ned, Richard.
Yes, it's Dr. Smith. Woohoo!
Good morning, Richard.
Hi, Ned. Oh, hindi pa rin bumabalik yung security mo. Nasaan ba talaga sila?
Hindi ko rin nga alam kung ba't hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin niya ako binabalikan. Ano ba ang kailangan niyo sa akin?
Alam mo, ayaw ko na talagang abalahin ka pa, pero we just have to do this para matapos na to. Alam mo na, protocol lang to. Para maging clear ka na rin, di ba?
Napaayos mo na pala ang scanner.
Yeah, finally. It's working right. And I'm sure correct na maging reading ito. Well, are you ready? Okay, let's do this.
You see? Hindi ako ang kalaban. Dahil ako ang tunay na Ned Armstrong.
You are an imposter. Hindi ka si Ned Armstrong.
Kung hindi ka lang masyadong paranoid, hindi nangyayari sa'yo to.
No, no, no. Dr. Smith.
Pero masyado mo na akong pinipikon. Oh, kahit mapatay mo ko, hindi pa rin kayo mananalo dahil nandiyan ang Mortis 5!